In this video, I will show you how to make your profile private on Facebook. So let's get started. If you want to keep your Facebook profile private and have more control over what other users who are not your friends can see on your profile, then you should think of making your Facebook account private. First, open Facebook app on your mobile. Now tap profile icon located at the bottom right side. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Now tap Settings. Under Audience and Visibility section, tap Profile Locking. Now simply tap Lock Your Profile at bottom and you are done. Your Facebook profile is now private. So that is how you can make your profile private on Facebook. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.